आज मेरे साथ दो बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट्स हैं।
Pakistani values are admirable, and I love the country and I love the people.
I have. I've been lucky to eat biryani, dal makhni, golgappe.
Oh, golgappe.
I love golgappe.
My first time cooking with a professional chef.
So now,
So this is ready to go in the oven.
okay. I love it when guests come on my show when I can be the host.
Thanksgiving is a great holiday. It's very popular.
Food Diaries Thanksgiving Special with
U.S. Consul General Charles Goodman.
and
Tim Braun, Ameriki Consulate se tarjuma hoon.
फूड डायरीज जुमेरात शाम 4 बजे।
Add some masala to your life.